But you don't like them, right? You want them all.
I don't know. I'm a squeezer of pimples.
Yeah?
Stuff,
So you get to squeeze the ones you can reach. All those ones on your back.
No, I couldn't reach them. And my back looks better.
Oh, yeah, it looks really good.
2 million people looked at my back.
I know. Can you believe that? How amazing is that?
Are these doctors?
You're going to have to tell everybody that you're where you're living now. Do you know how famous I am? That you should be lucky you can talk to me.
2 million. Look at my blackhead. How many blackheads I have in my back?
You had some big ones, so I think you were really popular. So these pores.
Who looks at what kind of
like
people
that
looks
kind
at
of stuff.
blackheads?
I think it's a feeling of satisfaction, of completeness, of fullness. You know,
Is it
like,
doctors or
there you
just
go.
people?
People.
Just
All right, good.
people.